Hi everyone, I'm Vijay. I'm a trainer in PySpiders Rajajinagar. So we have our best candidate called as SHILPA. So SHILPA, can you share your experience? How was it in PySpiders?
Yeah, I'm SHILPA. I'm joined the PySpider in the month of April. Actually, Python is taken by Lakshmi sir. I special thank to Lakshmi sir. Basically, I'm from non-IT background. In the first day I joined the PySpider, I don't know the meaning of coding, but now I am good in coding. And the most thing helped to me improve my communication is presentation. And Lakshmi sir asked the question in every classes. It is really helpful to recall all the concept. And special thanks to all the Python faculties. Thank you.
Congrats, sir. Even if you do presentations and mock, take regularly everything, so you will also be placed. So thank you.
Thank you.